Hello everyone.
You are looking at the new 2022 Pacific Crest Trail Southern Terminus Trailhead host. That's me.
I will be checking in hikers, through hikers, checking permits. By the way, permits are not required. It's not illegal to hike the trail without a permit. But what it does is it helps with funding, because Congress is the one that designated the trail, the PCT and the Appalachian Trail. It helps with funding to make sure that the trail stays in good hiking order, and it protects our land. So if you're hiking it, if you would help out by getting a permit, it's not hard. It's suggested to request the permit 30 days in advance. So they release 50 permits a day. So if you are in the area, the Southern Terminus, they're at the Mexican border, say hi, and I look forward to meeting all the new hikers. So one reason, there's many reasons that this is so exciting for me. Hiking the PCT was on my vision board for so many years. This was prior to getting fibromyalgia, so if I walked it now, I'm not getting very far. It was also on Isaiah's vision board. He wanted to catch a wild Mustang, tame it, and then ride the wild Mustang through the PCT. After he watched Branded, he was like all excited to do that. So if you know Isaiah, then you know that he would definitely have done that. With that being said, it being on our vision board, it really touches my heart that I'm able to volunteer there and give back, because it fulfills a dream of mine and Isaiah's. Being a part of this organization and being able to camp out there and meet new people. I love meeting new people, so that's another thing. And being able to camp out there out in the desert. Can't wait to see the desert blooms, and I'm excited. I also have a few more journal books. I have a couple PCT journal books, so if you're hiking, it's a 6x9 size. One of them says, "Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations," which is absolutely true, and not just physically, but mentally, emotionally. If you know me, my family, you know that we lost my son Isaiah in 2020, and so I will be out at the trailhead on Isaiah's birthday on March 3rd. So if you can please, if you think about me, please send me and my family some love on that day. We'll be taking cheesecake. I'll be taking cheesecake out there with me so that I can have some for Isaiah. He loved cheesecake. And also I'll be out there under the stars, so Isaiah could sit for hours and just look up at the stars, and he would take videos and then zoom in on the videos and just watch the stars grow in and out. So it was pretty cool. But he loved to look out at the sky. Him being out in the forest or in the desert when we were camping, that was one of his favorite pastimes, was to stare up at the sky at night. So I'm excited to be out there without the light pollution and really seeing the sky. So check out the links below for the new PCT journals. One of them is specifically for the PCT. It's blank inside, just has the dates and lines. The other one is for really anything. It doesn't have to be a hiking journal, because the title is "Difficult Roads Lead to Beautiful Destinations." It can be for anything in your life. Great therapy journal. I also have some new kid drawing books specifically for certain ages. So the books are for a 2-year-old and to show their 2-year-old creativity, and it's like a great keepsake. So there's a 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old. That's all I've gotten so far. So check those out as well. Also, for all my little witchy friends out there, I have a new 8.5 by 11 tarot journal. So you can write your spread out up at the top, the date, and then any notes afterwards. So check them out. I'll leave the link below. Please like, subscribe, follow. It'll help me out. This whole YouTube video thing is very new to me, so it's gonna be a big learning curve along the way. So today I'm just getting everything ready for my trip out there. I have some strawberries planted. I have my garden. That's my basil right there, and then I have some mint. Have some more mint up here. I have cilantro over here, and these are house plants. I have some jalapenos that I need to plant. I just planted some lettuce, tomatoes, and more strawberries yesterday. I really like to be more self-sufficient when I'm out. I like to be self-sufficient, period. But when I'm out in the wilderness anywhere, it allows me to reduce my trips into town if I could just grow my own food. So that's coming along. I have some romaine lettuce that is already sprouting, and that one was propagated off of another romaine plant. So I like to propagate a lot of my plants. If you don't know what propagate means, it means taking a cutting off of an existing plant and then putting it in water and letting it grow roots, and then you replant it. So it's a great way to start off new plants. So that's how all of this is done, all from propagating. And I have, why not? If you already have it, just cut it and grow a new one. Then you'll just have an abundance. So this one, I had to do a large basil plant because I go through it so much, and like I can't have a small plant, it won't supply my basil needs. So I like to put it well, definitely on pasta is great, but with like a tomato cucumber salad, and cut it up in there. So that's it. So I will be out in the desert, and I want to say happy Sunday to everyone. Thanks.